It's easy to quantify certain pandemic-related consequences, increases in alcohol use, deadly car crashes, mental health issues. But there's a whole other world of problems that remain uncounted and unseen.
The concern we have as a council, and primarily as individual judges, is that we don't know what we don't know. If those cases aren't reported to the state welfare agencies, we don't see them. And unfortunately, children are not in situations where the reporters are.
That is the head of the National Council of Juvenile and Family Court Judges. He's raising concern about cases judges are not seeing. Across the country, delinquency charges, child abuse, and neglect charges are dropping. And that's mostly because there are fewer interactions with people required to report suspicions, like teachers, doctors, and daycare workers. An influx of cases could come this year as more restrictions are lifted.
So we're really worried about what we're going to see. Domestic violence in our criminal courts really is about half of the charges brought in any given year is domestic violence. So it takes up a huge part of judges' dockets.
On the flip side, there's been increased risk of catching COVID-19 in juvenile facilities and group homes. The Sentencing Project urged right away for the release of as many youth as possible. It found virus cases among both youth and staff in most states. Judge Dan Michael says children are counting on us.
As a citizen, children can't protect themselves. They have to rely on adults to do so. Keep your eyes open.
The National Institutes of Health found job loss, higher stress and anxiety levels among parents during the pandemic as a significant risk factor for child maltreatment and abuse.